lovers, welcome to the Art Bit. In today's episode, we're talking everything acting and all nice and good things, guys. Zodiak is a clever Soko. He's a filmmaker, he's an actor, whatever else he is. I know you'll be there. Do not go anywhere. Tell another art lover that Art Bit is on your screen. The name is Chisomo Yoda. Clever.
Hey.
Bobo. Zikachitika say.
Zikachitika haruma.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Takula njirani bas.
Chabwino.
Yeah, so I was telling people, Kuti, you're a filmmaker, you're an actor, but in a nutshell, I think when you just take us through what you do, all your talents and skills.
Okay, so Joyamba, I'm a dancer. I used to sing Toilet. I sing I'm a dancer, an actor, I'm a videographer, especially within the cinema, not my videos I'm into cinema, graphic designing, event management. What else? Oh, I also do business.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Jack of all trades.
Yeah. Hey. Still all right.
All right. So, Kwambili, I really want to focus on. I might come to the other things that you do later, but for now, I think we want to focus on you as an actor.
All right.
How did that even start? When did it start? How has your experience been like?
Okay. I started long time ago. My grandmama used to act Karirari, so yeah, and I remember the first time she gave me time within the wherever stage. It was the time Tibabanga graduated to kindergarten, primary school.
Oh, that's a long
time. So I was one of the actors then. After that, couldn't act is anything serious, and then it's in secondary school 2016 where I met Mr. Gapinde.
Yes, Ignatius.
Yeah,
big shout out to him.
Where I met Mr. Gapinde, even though the story is very funny how I met him. I guess I should just go to the point where I met him. Yeah. So Anna and Duona then Ananditenga Wobira Woodzo arts, even though syndicates also Zoguriga Adzuama Bangaja. I never actually syndicates also Gapinde Ao Damiana Banga Black Angels. I didn't know that time.
Oh, okay.
Then that's just in the this is the guy.
I'm dealing with a superstar.
I'm like, no, I can't celebrate all this time in the cinema. Yeah, so from 2016 number we will have a stage 2018. Jemena nambo ndibatama Rosie kena wono nambo jambula mafilm 2022. Yeah, made nambo jambula DIX kena wo trap series kena wo maije na mbili. Yeah, that's the journey. Yeah.
From what you do, I've also seen Kuduma Bangaso theater, like acting at theater, and now you're talking film. Good, it's like on screen, there are cameras involved, there's like a director and all that. How would you describe the two? Acting per stage in terms of like theater, the acting, palima camera, 3, 2, 1, action.
Okay, acting film. Ndi ya theater yophweka ndi ya film yona ukujambulana cause ya theater actually muntu amene anambira acting ku film stage sangawanitse
imadza muvutira like atoka ngara akuyambira so kuphuzira
komano muntu amene anawera ku stage kupita ku film zimakhala kumusintha wako makhala wophweka chifukwa lemangomuza zoti tsitsa mawu yeah, my movement. Komano wakazoro yoga ku film bila ba stage imavura because stage needs a lot of energy.
Yeah, the movement has to be well calculated, your voice projection.
Or even imene ndimafila wambili ulinda banga act then the stage.
Okay.
Cause imene okamajoka pamene boba ya makawatela.
Okay.
Yeah, I imagine them kayo banga act maybe 1 hour munagale ba stage watch.
Yeah.
It is why in the theater and the film, I guess I love theater because in the media mabanga express my feelings that one Luciana and the film.
Acting, mubanga acting a scene 5 minutes.
Yeah, basi mene ende kulibe magati mukangowela pa stage baja mpaka mumalize.
Mugasinthe costume mutele. Oh, that definitely looks like a lot of work.
Yeah.
So for Tiligu theater komweko, how has the progress been like for someone who kubanga theater? I think it's a rare thing now because we're leaning more towards film than the theater itself. And to theater, are you still doing that a lot? Kabena mwina film yakanga, yango pimba nowadays.
Right now, many panga take over in the film. Koma theater, people are still doing theater. We are still doing theater.
Yes.
Komano imeni vanga take over in the film. The papa no bama productions ambila theater ambi wana naba ambo abangila zajibwana. Komaso they are not much productive ngati kaligala anthu amatopa ngashondo beza drama zambiri not now cause pano bantu amafuna zone azintu pamafoni.
Yes.
So ena mina mabindula ndokuti ngati mukupanga ijeni ngati mufuna so exposure ndori mudzipanga active agent vaja aina kujambula live maybe that can work.
Kupanga stream ndizina zote like still like technology has to be added. You can't run away from that.
Yeah, we can't run away from that.
Okay, that's good. My concern though, Kama actors, now you're going to muti masura, muti uza. My concern though, it's like when it comes to acting, masini na ugudi. Well, there are certain things involved.
Yeah.
You're with a girl, or you have to express how you love each other in that moment and all that. Also, I know good for still I want you to give me the element theater and the film so how realistic it is so to some extent how you handle that even outside your acting career as a person now.
All right. Okay, it's a very simple thing. It's not hard. Film let's say trap series one. Pamafunika bakale kusiana pakati pa Clever ndi film one. Ngati film one afunika avule malaya panseu. Film one avula malaya. Koma normally Clever sanga avule malaya panseu.
Like, why should I do that?
And my characters are really Oceana. I used to fight that baga pindana ndikalibila this other day because Ninkaka nigo green and tigana just because I was fasting. You get it? So I was like, no, I can't manage. Singama green and tigana, I'm fasting. So he said, Clever is fasting. Koma this role made over time. This guy is not fasting. And actually the guy was a player. Clever is not a player. You get it? So Timango funika jintu jorindi jivete wuri. This is acting and this is real life. Then ndikamapanga zinto zimene zijazi ndimango funika kuti ndilowe mwijeni ndisaziganizire as a person ngati Clever. Koma ndikaziganizira ngati nende kuti ndidzipezeka zoti ndujama ndikuganiza so zinthu
acting also sijitika
sijitika komano ndikakhala sokuti ndupanga active ene pachapa I need to be the character. I need to make it real. Cause pano anthu akamapanga fake zinthu kuti umaseke makala and how I criticize my social media. Look at this. So I don't want it to be me. So I need to make it real. So when we're doing this, switch. You be the character
and then okay.
You do it that.
All right. So in a situation like that, when it's masini or delo, kabena character, there are going to be a lot of uncomfortable scenes happening. Do you get paid more? Do you get compensated? Because at the end of the day, still, in as much as we in the film on, Komano Clever Kunjago, when people are looking at you, and Aba's gonna get into a player, and there's still some sort of like impact to your real life.
Pano zimarengera maijena ngati pali ma production companies ena amatakubatsani ma talent fee and ma talent ngati payment imatengera per episode komano talent fee mapanga different ndi zinthu zimene ukupanga mu ijenimo ngati we ijeni yako ndiyo sulu mapanga zinthu zambirimbiri ndo talent fee yako ikhala
yocheperako
komano yakhazo kuti pali zogwira nazo zorani ndokuti the higher the money.
Now we know. Now we know. But at least there is money involved. But I mean, it has to be like that. Because you guys are risking it.
It's something else.
Have you ever been also, personally now, have you ever been in a situation where character na yoro abanga play more series or even theater, and then in real life it's somehow affecting you? Would we know hey,
yes.
Do it.
Yes. Okay, the problem is when you are doing the thing, umafune watu udzisinthe. The process you udzisintha ija wuru kali character mene ukufuna ngamene character mene director ukufuna umabezeka zokuthi wamba kudzisintha dizeni. You get it? Cause umafunika zokuthi if you're having a girlfriend ukabita baseri baje uliso ndi chibwezi chine umafunika kuti munthu uchodzi muona dingati girlfriend wawo. Akakhala maseta akulu ngati ku Hollywood ku South Africa kwina mukakhaza ukuthi you are having that close relationship ngati maybe husband and wife or girlfriend and boyfriend mafunika zokuthi you need to go out on my dates not within this okhudza film koma personal and how
to get to know each other.
You need to know each
chemistry.
other. Something like that. So anthu ena amapeza kuti akupanga di date zeni yet they're having ma partners ena cholinga yake chongoti akhali close akamapanga zinthu zicha to make the thing look real.
Okay.
Yeah.
Risky behavior.
This is risky. So kumala kuno kusizinambe kuti athori batsa chance yokuthi you can go out and know each other. No.
That might be up to you maybe, I guess.
Yeah, we can do that. Komano it's very hard umala kuno because mabezeka zokuthi mwina mungu kumana kamodzi baseri baja. Yeri ufunika zoninga zokuthi you are close to the person. It's very hard.
Yeah.
Sanami, it's hard. Yeah.
All right, I hear you. So, looking at how you started acting in 2018, kufikira bano, I know you've seen a lot in the industry. You've seen things come and go and all that. I really want you to just highlight, personally, things that you would point out as the challenges that you've encountered, or what is in I think is Zita Sinta in this film acting industry. The world would be a better place.
Okay, right now, even though we not yet at home, things are changing, things are working. To me, they are not really working because acting is not yet business.
It's more of like a side gig. You need to have other things to do.
Palibe company naliyose ka azamwijaga aja nori zitakubwera kuzari kuti ndikubatse ndramezi ndujambule film kuti ma benefits amena abwere omugawano or do something like that komano
so give you a payment kokuti zikangoduru ukangomaliza acting kwina ngosizukukhudza
yeah something like that. So chifukwa chakuti mukapanga producer film imatha kuthela pa YouTube maybe mukangosiya ma TV stations and mupange premiere sokuti imabweretsa drama zochuluka mene imafunikira film zibweretsa drama ndeno ma partners or ma organizations or ma companies anabanga anabwelera mbuyo pang'ono chifukwa yokuti si business kwayo zitongo kangu ngati kuti akungopanga invest mu chinthu yoti sapindula ningonera zoti panomba chinangali chinthu chokuti ukayika ndalama sungapindule. Yeah, so it will be something big tikadzakhala zakuti tamba kuyika 10 million ndikumapeza ko 60 million.
Yeah, that's a profit.
Pamene pametidzanira zakuti acting industry kumaya kunoku yakula koma panova you can otoika 50 or 60 or 100 billion ndikupeza mwina 15 million.
Yeah, so
yeah, something like that.
That's a loss, definitely.
A big loss.
If we're doing the math, this is win.
This is a win. Yeah, so we are still working panova kuchokera 2018 kufika panova there is a change because nthawi imene 2018 yo tikapeza drama through acting ndoti makhala mwina organization ina yake yufune jambule zina zake ndiye yufuna ma actors koma kuti mukujambula film kuti mupeza ku drama timango panga ifukwa cha passion and stuff koma no dzaka dzitatu dzapitazi things are working, things are changing. Zinamba pang'ono panopa at least anthu amatha kujambula film kena akagula ku TV badeni kujambula film kupanga kwezinto zina zake zooneka. Yeah, right now things are working. I can just say that.
All right, you know, in every career, muntu umakalandi, some people, someone that you look up to, you need some sort of source of inspiration in a way. My role model. Okay. Do you have actors, people that you look up to? They might be from Malawi, Africa, beyond, that you look at them and you're like, hey guys, you are living my life.
All right. I want to change. I want to take this career I'm having kutali wambili. So there are people I see. I mean, there is some actors here and some guys out Malawi know what I want to do something like this. Kumano, I am having those big people in ndikamona mafilm ao or kukangoruka film ori mulio.
You're glued.
Yes. So to Antamina Lagula, I'm having Ryan Reynolds, you know the guy.
Yes. He's really funny and good.
Yeah, I'm having Ryan Reynolds. I'm Andy Sangalata Wambili. And
he's a good actor.
Yeah, the big one right now is Michael B. Jordan.
Okay.
Yeah. So
for women, it might be for other reasons.
Yeah, but
if you're a woman, I'll be like, are you sure it's only the acting you like?
Yeah,
but yeah, he's a very good actor. The looks are a plus.
Yeah, they're a plus. So I've been studying him, the way he work out, the way he act, yeah, the way he do some other things. So in this one, I can do my puzila in those
things.
Yeah, in those things. Kumala, you know, I'm having Mr. Kapinde.
Oh yeah, he has to be on the list.
yeah, I'm having Mr. Kapinde. You know Mr. Jonde?
Yes, Edwin Jonde. The legend himself. Yeah. He's really good.
Yeah,
I look at him and I'm thinking of people like Morgan Freeman.
Yeah, he's
really very odd.
Right now, he's having a big brand.
He is for sure.
Brand.
I think the part that I'm looking forward to is seeing him in international films now. Because Malawi, I feel like because you find him in all this. We've seen what he can do in the country, but I think I want to see more of him in like international scenes. Okay, so Mr. Shonde.
I'm having a lot of people. Okay, you know Kelvin Ngoma.
Yes, Kelvin. Kelvin is good. I'm wondering I was the one in real life, but find him as an actor.
Yeah, he's really good.
Find him as an actor. He's top notch.
Panoba is doing some other things already. Actors in a sanambe wabanga.
Oh yeah, I saw that he's having these projects in Zambia recently and all that. I think it's good. Personally, if you ask me, I think, in as much as it's at a slow pace, but I think the film industry is making some strides. We can see them making progress, which is good.
Yeah, so there is this other person. I mean, I'm in the Sangata Ramabanga brand here.
Okay.
You know Beatus?
Yes, Samange. Oh.
I really love how he introduced himself. He knows how to brand himself. Yeah. He knows his worth. Oh my God. Beatus is really doing the most. A big shout out to you, friend. So I'm having a big segue and I really look up to.
Yeah.
So I really respect them also.
Yeah.
And okay, I forget Wanango. You know Wanango Gondro?
Yes.
Yes, I like
that guy.
He's really
he's good.
Yeah,
he's really good. So I'm looking at all these people and I love the one thing that I love about your list, let's call it a list for now,
all right,
is that I think it's also been, in as much as they are Antwagunja, but they dominated in their Antwaguri, they are around you, closely reachable, I should say. People that, if you want Beatus, you can simply just call him. If you want Kelvin, like, bro, where you at? If you want Mr. Chonde, Kapinde, Mr. Chonde, you can literally, they are literally nearest to you, which is, I think, good. What is like the importance of being surrounded by people that you look up to, people that inspire you, even kumakhala uchifubi kwambiri zimathandiza bwanji?
Oh, it's really good one. They watch how you're growing, so they recommend you one twenage mansanga usianandi antorisa kudziwa. Like a lot of these people, they know me personally. Yeah, they know kuri kamana kajaga kamarire. Yeah,
this is the strength.
Already kumana now they always talk. We always talk. Tikamba kumana auditions and stuff pakachilika chintu china chili chose ambiri nori ndi mathowa imbira phone kuri I'm doing this wababa before I came here I even met Mr. Kapinda. Like I'm going to Zodiak he was supposed to bless me before I come here,
as he should.
Yeah, so it is really good one kuri amatobanga recommend mwansanga wantu enage to amata kumakubanga encourage muzinto zina because there palima steps they are really hard kutunga kueleweka.
You need help.
Yeah. I'm having a lot of people behind me, like Mike Felsoni, Mr. Peter Mzumala. Yes. Ogudi china yaga Zikachitika amakhala anthu oyambirira kumandi mbira. O bakachitika ijenina. I even posted something which, or maybe that's the only thing which could have made me stop acting. I posted it. Now amena namba kundibanga. Amandibanga encourage you. Okay, this is not the first thing. I was even surprised. I saw those big people commenting on my page. I was like, wow, these people
are, you might think people are not watching. People are watching you. It's just unfortunate.
Yeah. So I'm having a big circle. So they do encourage you. They're there. They're just like family. Yeah. So I guess it's a good thing. I'm an actor, and I should also be surrounded with my artists.
The people that have gone before you, at least. Don't
do that, please don't.
All right. We would meet again 5 years from now, sit down again, have this conversation. What would you want to have achieved by then? Or what would you love, the things that you want to see, even the change that you want to see in the industry itself, and in you as well as an actor?
Okay, I'll start with the industry. We want this industry to grow. Manjila ina yoseminati ngabangeyo, cause theater namba gutesa nambe nkoma. Kunja kuja anthu amatokhala kuti mwina kundibuka kuti ndizikapanga act maybe for a month ku theater every day koma kuno kusizinachitikeko. Tufuna ineyo my wish is theater itakula mwansanga cause ngati tingafike poti tamba kugulitsa mafilmu athu kuti kapanga premiere mafilmu aja kugulitsidwa, we will be respected. As long as we're making money, we are giving. We need to make money for the nation. You get it? I know if we start making money for the nation, we'll be respected.
Of course.
So we need to have so many international films by then. I really want us to have so many international films. This other time kuna event ya fama kuna ma actors, ma filmmakers from South Africa. Actually didn't umana now, some of them were saying we need to shoot a movie together komano. To me si uri ndi mazona with that bigger picture, cause I believe and I know uri sana jambule, so maybe just because of the short time they were having komano we need my producers akulu kunjako kuti atirane, and we need to do something. I know kuti my producers are South Africa sangati kule art industry ya Malawi.
Yeah.
We need to do it ourselves.
We need to push.
We need to push it.
Ziseko zosaseguka tiziombe basi.
Awafuna kungocholela
by post.
Yeah, but I love it how Anthu Amabangila react to my Kendo, my productions Kendo.
Yeah.
It shows growth.
Yeah, there's been a lot of support and it's been good work being put out there.
There's Zikachitika with my production company Ngabo,
yeah.
Things can change.
True.
Yeah, people can respect the art industry ya Malawi. I guess it is growing.
Yeah.
Chufunika chukuri tiambero kefe ya Malawi fe kujirugula kena wantena wajilandi.
Angobwelapo.
Yeah, so I want my brand uri ugule. I will do my best this year with the brand yanga ugule. I will do my best to maybe Evangelion, because you know my face is popular than my name.
Yeah, true.
People know me by face.
Yeah.
But they don't know my name.
No.
So yeah.
Eventually, before we know it, but over, I think with also the coming in of like social media and all that, just put in as much content as you can out there, put in the work, and I'm sure Woody in the next 5 years will be saying a whole different story.
We'll be saying something else. Yeah, so actually the other thing is, you know, even though I have a brand, just a brand, but I'm not okay financially, people know I can't manage to raise the film industry. What I want is to raise film industry.
Yeah.
Ineyo ndufuna nizabwetse impact inaye ayikulu kwambiri ku Malawi kuno, kuti people, when people think of film industry ya ku Malawi, they should see my face on it. That's my goal.
Yeah.
Then I know I can manage to do that 5 years from now.
Yeah, but over time, for sure.
Whatever it takes, I'll do that.
All right, that is the proper goal, and we're here rooting for you. And thank you so much for coming to the show.
Welcome.
We needed to hear your story. We needed to know more about you. And as we now they're like, oh, this guy, you know.
Yeah.
That's what we love. Personally, I love, and I'm very enthusiastic about the art industry. And we look at, when we look at people like you who are putting in the work and the talent and the skill, we love it, and we're here rooting for you. So yeah, thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you so much.
All right, beautiful people, and that's all we had time for in today's edition of the Art Bit. We were talking everything arting with Clever Soko. Many thanks to you for being there. The name is Chisomanyo. Remember, new episodes of Art Bit come to your screens every Tuesday from 6 p.m. Until next time, stay creative.